So while those guys are digging the pit and removing the soil, we're going to go ahead and use our hammer drill with a 2-inch diamond core bit to core this foundation wall. And the way that we find the measurement for that is we're 6 bricks over. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and we want to don't go too high. We want to be down here at this level. So I already put an X there. We want to go right through the center of this brick. And this will be for the discharge of the sump pump. We'll bring the 1.5-inch pipe out, go down into the ground, and we're just going to discharge it, right out here into the yard. So let's get started. So again, this is a Bosch hammer drill, and I'm using a 2-inch diamond core bit. This is a really easy DIY, and it only takes a few minutes to drill through this brick. This is the foundation wall, and we're bringing that sump pump discharge line up and out through the wall where it's supposed to be. We need to bring that water outside. I know it seems like a silly little DIY, but it is so important to bring your crawl space water up and out through the brick or block and get it outside your house, and then you discharge it to wherever you want. Some people bring this out through the vent or through the crawl space door, but boy does that look tacky. This really makes a clean and professional finish when you drill through the foundation wall. So make real quick work of coring that brick. You can see we're all the way through. You can see Chuck in there digging. This is where we're going to put our 1.5-inch PVC. Great tool, Bosch hammer drill. You can rent this at any Home Depot or tool rental, about 40 bucks for 4 hours. And then of course they charge you for that diamond core, but it's like 9 bucks. It'll sure make your life easy. Okay, so with your core drilled through the foundation, here's your 2-inch hole. That is the exact outer diameter of our 1.5 inch. We can slide this right through. You can see it goes through there really easy, in and out. And what we'll do is go inside, we'll plumb the sump pump from the pit up and make the connection inside, come out, we'll cut this off, goes down into the ground, and basically we're just going to discharge out here into this natural. Hey, this is Chuck with Apple Drains, reminding you that if you believe you can do something, I guarantee you can do it. Have a great day.